Hi, you guys. Karen Curry Parker here. I just want to share with you something that I'm really excited about. So if you are familiar with my quantum human design activation cards that came out earlier this year, these cards actually are, they're all upside down because I use these all the time. These cards lay out all the brand new language in quantum human design related to the gates. So there is a card for every one of the gates, and in the little guide booklet there is information once you pick a card about each of the gates. So you'll see, like, for each gate there is the name of the gate, there are challenges, the mastery of the gate, the unbalanced expression of the gate, writing exercises, journaling exercises, contemplations, affirmations. So this is the little guidebook that comes with the cards. You can see, like, the cards are about playing card size. Here's the guidebook. A lot of you were saying, this is a super meaty book with really teeny tiny print, which it is. It's a pretty meaty book with little tiny print. And some of you were asking, lots of you were asking, hey, can we get a bigger version of the card book? So I'm very excited to share with you guys that that is indeed now available. So you can now get the Quantum Activation Cards Companion Guidebook on Amazon. This is a 6x9 book. So here is just for comparison. Here's a card. It's about playing card size. That card fits way down here. So this is a big version of the information cards. This is a full color book. So it has, again, the gate image in here, plus the name of the gate, the challenges, the mastery, the unbalanced expression, the affirmation, and further contemplations. So this is actually a really nice little companion guide, of course, to the cards. But if you just want to learn the new information about the new names of the gates and how to work better with the gates, if you're a student of human design, this is just a really nice tool to help you find stronger, more high frequency language related to the gates in human design. This book is also available on Kindle Unlimited. So if you have Kindle Unlimited, you can actually download this version of the Quantum Activation Cards for free as somebody who has, if you have Kindle Unlimited. And this is just a little quick sort of exciting note. In about 2 weeks, you're also going to be able to get the cards as an app on your phone. So if you're facing any kind of a struggle or a challenge, or you have a question about what's happening in your life, or maybe you need to think about what do you want to focus on as part of your growth and evolutionary path. Ooh, this one's out of order too. You can see I've been using these cards a lot, huh? You can pull a card, and that card will give you some really powerful insights as to, what perhaps you need to be focusing on, what archetype are you playing with, what gate you need to be putting your attention on, so that you can find some solutions to the challenges facing you. I actually, this is just a fun thing I like to do. I like to pull a card every morning and just journal about the card. I'll go and I read the card and I find the little journaling prompts in the book and use it as my warm-up exercise for my creative self-expression. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you because I'm super excited about this. And if you wanted a bigger version of the card booklets, it's here. It's available on Amazon. You can get it on Kindle Unlimited or buy the hard copy full color book. And I hope you enjoy it.